Hi, this is Sherry at the Fancy Crow. I have another installment in my mesh wreath making series today. It's going to be putting a sign in the middle of a basic wreath. I'm also going to show you how to put a hanger on the back, so let's go over to the workstation and get started. Okay, I'm ready to attach my sign, but before I attach my sign, I want to determine where the top of my wreath is. And I like this area right here. So I'd like this general area to be the top of my wreath. I'll know the exact area when I flip it over because I want the top of it to be at an upright. So here's an upright here, here's one here. And I think I like this one here better. So this is going to be the top of my wreath. I'm going to put my hanger in. That way I'll be able to be sure and find the top of my wreath again. And I just go across the hanger so this holds here. I wait till the zip tie zips 2 or 3 times. I want to make sure it's secure but not too small. Snip off that end and turn it so that the buckle is underneath. All right, now I am ready to put my sign in. So I need to decide where I want it. You can have it, I have them off at the side. They can be up at the top. Sometimes they're at the bottom. I want mine in the middle. If yours is at the bottom, you're probably going to need to snip your jute and bring it to the sides and tie it and secure it with a zip tie. But since mine's at the top, it's going to go easily in there. I'm going to reach my hand here, find the top center of my jute, grab that. Now you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm feeling for not only where that upright is that I had my top, but I'm also on the bottom rung. And I think if I put it in the bottom rung, it's going to hang too low. I'm going to go up to the next one and I will flip it over. And that's where I want it to go. So I'm going to need 2 more zip ties, one on each side of this upright. Make sure that doesn't get in there. I'm going to let it go sideways. I'm just going to put this on this side and not pull it tight. This on this side and not pull it tight. Oh, I'm going to want to see which side of that I'm going to go on. So I'm going to see that that's on there. I think I'm going to do it pretty close in. So it's going to go on this side of that chenille stem. Be sure to not get that hanger in there. All right. Once again, I want to see that that's in the center. And that's going to require both of these to be pretty close together. And then just pull them tight. Be sure to not get them tangled or tied into there. You can see this isn't really going to move much. Once it's hanging, it won't move. It's in there pretty tight. Snip off those ends. And our wreath is just about finished. I can tuck this underneath. I can leave it on top. I'm going to do a little bit of both. I'm going to put it a little bit underneath and a little bit on top. Want to cover up that hanger, that jute hanger with mesh and ribbon. And then I just need to go ahead and fluff it. So that will be our next video, is how to fluff that wreath and finish it off. Until then, I hope you'll like us, share us, and subscribe. And have a good rest of your day.